I got some deliveries and this time it is from Pandamart. Pandamart by NJ2 brings to Cebu our Cagayan de Oro favorites. That would be Saboroso Coffee, and of course when you say Cagayan, it would equal to pastels, and not only pastels but VjANDEP Pastels. Magpa-trivia sa kuha, did you know that there are more than 15 flavors of VjANDEP Pastels, but of course nothing beats the Yema flavor. I am so glad also that Saboroso Coffee Beans comes in Saboroso Drip Coffee now. Well, nothing beats like brewed coffee on the go. So, dili na magdaog sa shea. At least kung kani siya, everything is biodegradable. And you can have your premium roast coffee anywhere. Well, honestly, medyo hasulat ko gamay of drip coffee. But actually, while waiting for it nga mo drip good siya, the smell and the aroma coming out murag mas makapa-excite nimo sa iniginom nimo sa kape. To order, you may just search NJ2 Marketing in foodpanda or you may search Pastel of Camiguin in Facebook. And prices are very affordable too. You can have 6 pieces of pastels for 175 pesos and 1 dozen for 350 pesos. The drip coffee for 175 pesos and the coffee beans for 180 pesos for 250 grams. For that, mamainit ata guys. Buns with fillings plus black coffee, perfect jud kaayo. And yes, maayo pa ang buns na ay fillings. And I would just like to share too, if ever you will be in Cagayan, please try the green apple and ubi flavor pastels. But then again guys, don't forget to brush your teeth after eating and to follow me in all my social media accounts, and please continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!